Kate, good evening, Kate.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will share to you where are you. So teacher is waiting. Okay, so we have here 58. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so please try to answer this question, Kate. Okay, right? Your answers in here, in the right side. Please write your answer.
Okay.
Okay, this person works in the field, in the countryside with animals and plants. What do you think is this? It's the answer for this one. This person work outside in fields, in the countryside with animals and plants. What do you think
A
is the answer?
farmer.
Hmm? It is.
A farmer.
It's a
Farmer.
farmer. Okay, two. This person who usually wears a uniform works with people who are ill in the hospital or at home.
Nurse.
Who is this person? Hmm?
Nurse. A
Okay,
nurse.
very good. Yes, people make a lot of different things in these places. For example, radio, clothes, and toys.
I think is that just
People make a lot of different things in these places. For example, radio, clothes, and toys.
uh a engineer.
Mm-hmm. Yes, factory. Oh, in the factory, it's as a place. In the factory, children study this subject at school because everyone needs to use numbers. Children study this subject at school because everyone needs to use numbers. What is
Math.
this? Math.
Maths.
Oh, let me see. Very good. Okay, you should go and see this person if your teeth hurt. You should go and see this person if your teeth
Yes.
hurt. Like teacher, I have my toothache. I need to go to this
Breakfast.
man, to this person. Yes. Then
Okay.
tests. Good. Yay. And next one, number six. You can read books or study in this place because they are usually very quiet. Oh, what is this place? Hmm?
Quiet. Uh.
Is a
mm, Library.
Oh, let me see. Library. If you study the subject, you look at maps and learn about different countries and people in the world.
Mm.
If you study the subject, you look at maps
Geography.
again, and
Geography.
learn about different countries and people in the world. It is geo geography. Okay. People go to these places when they want to get some money. They want to get some
Science.
money. Very
Science.
good. Okay. People who are good at this subject are good at drawing and painting pictures. People who are
Art.
good at these subjects are good
Art.
at drawing. Okay, they are
Art.
art. It is this person's job to write in newspapers about things that happen in the world. What is this? Who is this
History.
person? No. It's this person's job to write in newspapers about things that happen in the world.
Engineer.
Oh, engineer? Are you sure it's engineer? I don't think so. It's engineer. It is. What is this?
Mm,
It is. Okay, it is
uh,
journalist. Hey. Okay, this one. You have to tell me yes or no. Only have very easy. You have to look at
okay.
the pictures and tell me if it's yes or no. You write your answer here. Okay, Kate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, you have here. Now, okay. Clock, it's on the top. Let me see. Okay, no. The pirate who is sitting next to the parrot has finished his drink. Where is the pilot? Okay. No, oh, it's not yet finished. Okay. The pirate with the black beard has got an umbrella in his hand. Hmm. No, okay. The four pirates are wearing t-shirts with stripes. Yes, look at them. One, two, three, four. They're wearing striped t-shirts. The pirate with the long hair is making a castle on the beach. Yes. And the blue butterflies are smaller than the butterflies with red spots. Yes. Under one of the trees, there is a box which is full of gold treasures. Okay, no. Yay, very good, Kate. Okay, so this one,
Yay.
Kate. So you have too much, okay? Don't ask me to help you. You have to think. Please think. What do you think is the correct response? Okay, let us see how good you are. Okay, I will not help you for
Okay.
this. You do it by your own. Okay, you can do it. Read and understand. Okay?
Hmm.
You tell me.
Okay, okay.
You just think, I just think.
Teacher, help me.
Oh, no, no, no. You have to try. Okay, just try. If you get wrong, it's okay with teacher. No problem. Okay? Just try your best. Let us see how good your thinking is. Sarah first. Sarah said, is it your favorite museum, Mrs. Brown? What do you think will be the answer of Mrs. Brown? Okay, you have to choose here.
Hmm.
I know you can do it. Okay, done?
Yeah.
Okay, let us see. Is your favorite museum, Mrs. Brown? Oh, letter H. Yes, it is because there are lots of interesting things to learn there. Okay, what do you like looking at most? Okay, it's letter C. It's the old plates. I think they're beautiful. And where are the dinosaurs? Because I'd like to see them first. Okay, letter F. Okay, it's letter F. Okay. I've got my camera here. It's letter D. Yes, if you like. Oh, you find this hard? You find it hard? Hard for you? Huh? You find this
Mm.
hard? Yeah, okay. So here, next. When are we going to leave, Mrs. Brown? I'm tired already. Oh, so letter G, I don't know yet, but before 2:30. Okay, now let us read the story. You read the story, huh? And please choose the correct answer right here. Okay, number two, what is the answer?
Um,
So, okay, you read first. It's very easy. You can find the answer in there. Wait, Miha, I need to get out of a Okay, let us see. Mom and Michael arrived home at midnight after a visit to grandmother. There was no moon and there were no stars in the sky. So it was a dark night and there were no lights on the house. Mom looked in her bag for her oh, hey, to open the door, but it wasn't there. And it wasn't in the pocket of her coat. Hey, next one, go. Okay? But Michael had a small torch in his bag. He Blanc. What is this? He turned on and they looked everywhere. Again, what are we going to do? Whispered Mom. Dad, at Uncle Sean's house tonight, and all the windows downstairs are closed. Hey, so what is the answer? I don't want to camp outside all night. Suddenly they heard a man. He opened the door. Who's there? He asked. It was Dad. Oh, it's only us, laughed Mom. Oh, said Dad. I come home early from Uncle John's. I was in bed. Come in, it's blank and dark outside. We know, said Michael and laughed. What is the answer for number 5?
Um,
Hey, it is. Oh, this is already finished. It's told. Okay. Now, what do you think is the best name for this story, Kate? Okay, what do you think is the best name of the story?
I think is hmm,
Do you think it's the best name of the story? Okay, Michael Dodds, come home late. Let me see. Okay, next one. So let us have here the pictures. Okay, let us answer this one. Quite hard. Okay. Please choose what is the correct answer. Okay, please choose. You have 2 minutes to answer. Okay, please choose what is the correct answer.